Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. If your Android phone is showing no SIM card, no service, or simply not detecting your SIM, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I will show you step-by-step methods to fix your SIM card issue on any Android phone. So first, let's start with some quick and easy fixes. Step 1, restart your phone. Long press the power button and tap restart. Sometimes a simple reboot can redetect the SIM. Second, check airplane mode. Swipe down from the top. Make sure airplane mode is off. If it's on, turn it off and wait 10 seconds. Third, reinsert SIM card. Power off your phone. Remove the SIM tray using a SIM ejector or pin. Clean the SIM gently with a soft cloth and reinsert it properly. Make sure the SIM is not bent, scratched, or damaged. If that didn't work, try these software solutions. First, go to settings and then connections. So these options may vary according to your phone model. Tap on mobile networks. Go to network mode and try switching to 4G, 3G, 2G, which is auto, or 2G only if you are in a weak signal area. Another step can be to check SIM status. Go to your dialing application. Now dial *#06# to see if your IMEI number shows up. If it says IMEI not available, your phone might need professional repair or firmware flash. Okay, if still not working, try these next. So try SIM on another phone. If the SIM does not work on another phone either, the problem is with the SIM. Visit your network provider to get a replacement. Also try another SIM in your phone. If another SIM works in your phone, your device is fine, but the original SIM is faulty or deactivated. And don't forget to update your phone. Tap on settings, scroll down and go to software update and download and install the new updates if available. Sometimes bugs are fixed in new updates. If none of these work, contact your SIM provider because your SIM may be deactivated, and also visit a service center. The SIM card slot or motherboard might be damaged. And that's it. I hope one of these fixes helped you get your SIM card working again on Android. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you or if you need help with something else. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more Android fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.